So in this video, we're going to talk about our new Sale AI agent feature of Salesmate. So it is essentially an agent which is embedded in your website and it can respond to all the questions of your customer. So in this video, I have selected the use case for AI tech support bot. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and I'll walk you through a 24/7 available tech support bot that can answer the questions, assign conversations, schedule meetings, all with the SalesMate platform. Okay, now on the left hand side, this is a sidebar, and from the sidebar, you can navigate to the AI pilot section. Here, you will have the option to create your AI pilot. So click on the Add New AI Pilot button, and here you will be required to fill all of the details. So you can select an image for the AI pilot, give it a name. In my case, it's TechBit for tech support, and you can select the language that you are comfortable in and the language that you want the bot to talk to customers in, and you can give identity instructions here as well. Now, one of the interesting features that I like here the most is you can set the default answer tone for the AI pilot. Okay, so if you want the bot to respond in a formal way, you can select the formal tone. But if you want a more humorous response, because who doesn't like a little bit of humor in the day-to-day life? So you can select the humorous option as well. But in this video, I'm going to go ahead with the formal response and the formal answer tone. And the next thing is the knowledge base. Okay, now your bot needs a brain, to answer the questions accurately. This is where the SalesMate knowledge base comes in. Now from the sidebar, navigate to the articles section, and here you can put all of your articles that the agent and the bot will refer to. So for example, in my case, it is the tech support. Okay, so here I have created all the tech support articles so that the bot can refer to. So let me just apply a filter for the English language. Okay, so these are all the articles that the AI pilot can refer to. So here I have article called why my screen is not displaying. Okay, so here are the instruction on the troubleshooting steps on what people can do to fix their screen. So this is meant to be a support guide that the user can read. But once you enable the access for the AI pilot and the AI co-pilot, as you see here, the AI pilot can refer to these articles and respond appropriately. Now, back to the AI pilots section. What we have to do here is create functions. You can go to the function section. Okay, and here you will have to create functions to perform more complex tasks, such as assigning the conversation to a different user, assigning a conversation and booking a meeting for a user. So you can hit the new button from here and create a function by using the code. And if you do not know the code to perform these actions, you can just start a chat with us, and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. You can just start a chat, and we'll give you the code for it. And so essentially, let me explain in short what these functions do. So first of all, this is a function that will get me the list of all the users that are available in SalesMate. So people set their availability from here, and it will give me a list of all the users that are available. And then what this function will do, it will assign the conversation to one of the users. So this is where our agent will come in. Now agent is uh, is the bot, or the brain that will handle all the customer responses, and we have to give him proper instructions on how to behave with the customer. So here, as you can see, that I have specified a proper role, that you are an ID support specialist and AI powered this and that assistant, and I have given him instruction on how to answer the questions, in how many words they should answer the question. Okay, we have set response time, when it set support hours, etc. And we have given them general instructions as well, like introduce yourself warmly. Okay, and next we have integrated it with the knowledge base. Now if a user asks a question to the agent or the AI pilot, and it does not know the answer to the question, what it will do, it will refer to the knowledge base to see, hey, let me check if the answer lies in the knowledge base. So this is the instruction that tells the agent to, if you don't know the answer to some question, you can go to the knowledge base. And once this option is enabled, access to the knowledge base, this will allow the agent to access all the articles that are in the knowledge base, and the access have been given to the AI. Okay, so make sure that you enable this as well. And the next thing, these are all the instructions, like the Wi-Fi isn't working, the commonly asked questions, and what to do if these types of questions are asked, prevent duplication, etc. Why is the computer running slow, the troubleshooting steps, etc., all have been provided here. Now if you go to the bottom of the screen, you know you can see that I have given in some additional instructions as well to avoid using the technical jargon unless it is commonly understood. Personalization, like welcome back username, something like that, to make it more personal. I have set a tone and communication style as well, but you don't need to do that again here as well, because we have only already set the tone as formal, so it will be okay if you don't set it here. And now we have set the instruction to assign the chat to the IT specialist as well, that is one of our users. Now let's add the functions to the AI agent as well. Now in the right side, you can click the add button and select the functions here. And here you can see that all the functions that we have created in the functions section. Here is a function that gets the available users, and this is the one that assign the conversation to the available users. I will close this right now because I have already added them here, as you can see. And we have also given an LLM description to use this tool to get all the available users. So you can give it a description here as well. Okay, now let's see how we uh, call this tool inside the agent. So let's say if they want to speak to a live agent. Okay, so what we have done is escalate using get available users. So this is the function, so it will call this tool and then assign the conversation and use this tool. So this is all you need to uh, tell the agent on how to use this function, and it will automatically perform the set of actions that we have mentioned it here. Now this is how the agent instructions look like. Okay, you can be as detailed as possible, because this will just make sure that the agent works perfectly. Now next thing is making the agent live on your website. So you can hit the new button in the execution flow section, and you will be taken to a canvas. Okay, so the trigger would be a new conversation is initiated. So you can select the channels like web, Facebook, WhatsApp, voice, because Salesmate also integrates with Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. But I have not configured them here, so I won't get the option to set it here. But if you connect Salesmate with your Facebook and WhatsApp channels, now the agent will be able to respond to the chat there as well. So for now, just select the web option and then click the plus button, and then select the agent from here. So once you select the agent, you can select the one that you have created, that is the IT support one, and hit the save button. Once done, hit publish, and your agent will be live on your website. Now Salesmate has its own conversation inbox. So this is where all the chats from your Instagram, your website, your Facebook, all see here. And this is how you can assign the conversation to your team as well. Okay, so all you have to do here is go to chat settings, installation. For web installation, you can just copy the code and paste it in your website. You can just give it to your developers, and they will be more than happy to put it here. And let's I've already put it installed it on my website. So this is my website, and this is my AI, the chat widget. Okay, so let's say a customer comes here and starts a new chat telling that the Wi-Fi is not working. So as you can see, our TechBit AI agent is live now, and in a very soon it will be able to answer all of your questions. Now as you can see, it has introduced itself. Now let's say my Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, now it will give me all the troubleshooting steps that we have instructed it to do. So, for example, like restarting your router, ensuring your Wi-Fi is enabled, move closer to the router. So these are all the instructions that we have given to the agent, and the agent is responding as mentioned here. Now, if you remember, I also created an article in the knowledge base for the screen not loading. So let's ask it that question as well and see if it refers to the knowledge base. Like let's say my screen, apologies for my typing mistake, is not loading. So now it will refer to the knowledge base and give all the troubleshooting steps that we have added in the knowledge base. So as you can see here, these are all the instructions that were given to uh, knowledge base, and the agent is referring the knowledge base and giving the answers to the customer. Now let's say you don't want to talk to an AI agent, you want to talk to a person in real life. So let's tell them I want to talk to an agent. So it will connect me with an agent and assign the conversation to uh, one of your agents here, and the conversation will be assigned you from here, and the agent will assign the conversation, so you will be good to go, and from there you can take it forward, and as you can see that it is automatically assigned to us right now. Okay, and these are all the history of the conversation done with that particular customer, and you can see the responses by the AI agent, and you can see the responses done by the customer as well, and from here you can take it forward. Hi there. Okay, and hit the send button, and you can see that a live person has joined here. So that's it for this video. Let us know if you need anything else, and feel free to sign up for the SalesMate free trial and test out the AI agent feature yourself. And if you're stuck anywhere, you can just start a chat with SalesMate support team, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.